Food storage. How long can you keep American cheese, pasteurized processed slices, individually wrapped, open package? Keep refrigerated and tightly covered. If cheese slices develop an off odor, flavor or appearance, they should be discarded for quality purposes. To freeze, wrap cheese slices tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil or plastic freezer wrap or place in heavy-duty freezer bags. Frozen cheese may become crumbly and lose some of its flavor. The thawed cheese will be best suited to cooked dishes, such as sauces, soups and casseroles. Freezer time shown is for best quality only. Foods kept constantly frozen at 0 degrees Fahrenheit will keep safe indefinitely. Please suggest what kind of food you want to know about. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share to support our channel.